See, they have to be golden. Just like that. See, they're golden. My next step is I am going to use spaghetti. Real hot. So now I'm gonna get some spaghetti. Not that much. Just like that. See, it's getting kind of fried, changing color. Don't let it burn. What I want to do is I just want to fry it a little bit. See that much? And then what I'm going to do is I am going to add the shells and then I'm going to add water. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the shells. See, that's what it looks like. So now I added water and I'm just going to go ahead and let it boil. So now I am ready with the rest of the ingredients, and I'm gonna be using carrots, a potato, an onion. This is a different kind of onion. It's really good. This is another ingredient. I'm gonna use shrimp for the soup. Shrimp is really good. Okay, I love seafood. So I'm gonna use this bag of shrimp, this container, put water in it, so that way the shrimp will be soft and I'll be able to take off the tails, all right? See, this is the container with the water. I might use this plate too. I'm gonna go ahead and put water in this bowl right here. I'm gonna open this bag up. Kids love this soup. Okay. There's the shrimp. Just put it right on the plate. Or just like that. Much easier. Use it all. So I'm gonna show you the shrimp, what it looks like. That's what the shrimp looks like. When the shrimp is soft, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this tails right here. Right now, the shrimp is frozen, so the shrimp has to be soft. Once it's soft, then I'll take off the tails. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the vegetables. Potato, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right in half. Just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add these potatoes to the soup. You wanna see that? Just like that. Just let them cook. The next thing is the carrots. These are baby carrots. What's going on, guys? This is Eddie Cantu from Ingenious Productions. Thank you for joining me once again in my YouTube channel. All right, I appreciate it. If this is your first time being here, make sure that if you like the content, make sure to subscribe to Ingenious Productions. Make sure to like the video, share the video, and make sure to check out my links are in the description box below for my merchandise. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here, joining me in the kitchen, cooking. Let's go ahead and try a baby carrot. Real good. Healthy, good for the eyes. Try another one.